Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concept in 90 seconds video. What is good laboratory practice? Good laboratory practice includes following good validation and good documentation practices. Basically, making sure you follow your written procedures, using equipment and processes proven to do what they are supposed to do, and that all of your results are recorded by appropriately educated, trained and experienced people. It also extends to such things as, say, not drinking or eating in the lab. That was good laboratory practice in 90 seconds or thereabouts. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit notify to be informed when more videos are uploaded by me.